I'll show you how to get OBS to capture two screens at once. Step by step, this is perfect for multitasking, showcasing tutorials or streaming gameplay across multiple monitors. Step 1 to start open OBS Studio and add your first display in the Sources panel. Click the plus button and select Display Capture. Give it a name, then click. OK to confirm Step 2 in the new window. Select the monitor you want to capture from the drop. Down menu if your main screen isn't selected by default. Pick it now. Click OK when you're done. Step 3 to capture the second screen. Repeat the process. Click the plus button in the Sources panel again. Choose Display Capture and name this. Source appropriately, such as second monitor. Step 4 in the settings for the second display. Select your secondary monitor from the drop-down menu. Click OK to save the changes. Step 5 now. Position both screens within your OBS canvas if needed. Adjust the canvas size by navigating to Settings, selecting the Video tab, and setting the base canvas resolution to a size that fits both displays. You can also tweak the output resolution to match your recording or streaming needs. Or organize them manually like that, and that's it. You've successfully set up OBS to capture two screens at once. If this video helped you out, please like and subscribe for more tips.